Here we have a vintage chest of drawers in the Art Deco style. I'm just hoovering out and cleaning the inside, and in doing that I get to find all the imperfections. So yeah, the sides needed re-gluing here, so I'm just clamping those up just to make the carcass strong again. There were a couple of loose drawer runners in there as well, so I did glue those in as well. Yeah, let's just see how it looks. Got to match the veneer up on the front of the drawers there. There we go. So now I'm just filling in some of the chipped bits of veneer around the sides. I was using a bit of wood filler and an ink stain pen, which is really good for hiding all those fresh scratches, making them look like they've been there forever. Just giving it a good clean. I find that doing all the little scratches and cleaning it really well really makes a difference to the end result, and there we have it. It's also got some bakelite handles on the front there. Feel free to check out the website designbydavies.com. We're based in Bow, East London.